In this video, I will show you how to take a photo and send it on WhatsApp. You will also learn how to add a caption, emojis, and text to your photo. Let's go, I will show you step by step.
Michael, new cake shop has opened on the high street. Snap a picture and send it to me on WhatsApp.
Oh, do you know how to send photos on WhatsApp? Open your WhatsApp chat with Mary. Whether you are using an Android phone or an iPhone, tap this icon. Your camera is now open. Tap the round button to take a photo. The photo has been taken. Now, just tap this button to send it to Mary. The photo has been successfully sent to Mary. See? It's easier than it looks. Now, I will show you how to add a caption, emojis, and text to your photo. Don't worry, we'll do this step by step. Open your WhatsApp chat with Mary again. Tap this icon to take a photo. I'm going to take a photo of this poster. Tap here to enter the caption. For example, I'm entering new coffee shop. Next, I'll add emojis to the photo. Just tap this icon at the top of the screen. On the next page, tap this button. There are many emojis here. Swipe down. Choose the one you like and add it to your photo. I pick this coffee cup icon. Just tap it. Now, the icon appears in the middle of the photo. Use one finger to move it. And two fingers to resize it. Next, I'll add text to the photo. Tap this icon at the top of the screen. Enter your text here. You can change the font of the text here. Select the font you like. You can change the color of the text here. Then, tap here to change the style of the text. Choose the style you like. When you are finished, tap Done in the top left corner of the screen. The text appears in the middle of the photo. Use one finger to move it, and two fingers to resize it. Now, your caption, emojis, and text are all ready. Just send the photo to your friends. The photo has been successfully sent to Mary. Can you make it? You can always go back and try again. If you are not sure how to download WhatsApp, just type WhatsApp in the comments, and I will help you. Now, you can do this anytime you need. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon. You are always welcome back here. See you in the next simple tutorial.